Psychology says if you are a healthy 20 years old, you have around 2,860 weeks before you die. Psychopaths are immune to contagious yawning and are less likely to be straddled. Anesthesia awareness occurs when someone goes under but is still conscious. This person can feel every cut and every shift but cannot do anything about it. We truly have a very little knowledge of what lurks in the deep dark depth of the ocean. An insecure childhood often makes an individual more aggressive when he or she grows up. Everyone is narcissistic to an extent, but not everyone is a narcissist or has a narcissistic personality disorder. Psychopathy is a real thing. There is a difference in neurobiological wiring. Not all psychopaths commit violent crimes, but they are still real psychopaths in nature. There is a study that shows introverts and shy humans have more sarcastic or dark humor on a deep level because of their ability to talk less about unnecessary things, which sometimes creep people out. A study suggested around 153,000 people die on your birthday. A person suffering from Cotard syndrome believes he or she is dead. Cotard syndrome comprises any of the one series of delusional that range from a belief that one has lost organs, blood, or any body part to insisting that one has lost one's soul or is dead. 60% of the UK population feels like no one really loves them. A study shows ducks become cannibals due to boredom, and sometimes they can only be stopped by cutting off their mouths. One of the dirtiest items we come into touch with on a regular basis is our phone. Mobile phones are 3 times filthier than a doorknob and 20 times dirtier than toilet seat, with roughly 25,127 germs per square inch. Pigs will devour anything, including humans. There are over 200 dead bodies on the top of Mount Everest because retrieving them is such a risk. They serve as markers for other hikers. Back in ancient Rome, people believed that drinking fresh blood cured epilepsy. Over 1 billion people will go to bed hungry tonight. If you try to surpass a sneeze, you can rupture a blood vessel in your head or neck and die. A human head remains conscious for around 20 seconds after being decapitated. A body decomposes 4 times faster in water than on land. Watching TV for more than 2 hours a day can shorten your life expectancy by 1.4 years. If you watch TV for 6 hours daily, you might die 5 years earlier than you would naturally. Many shampoos, soaps, hair dyes, and other cosmetic products contain carcinogens that can cause cancer. In most cases, the bodies of people who died in Mount Everest will stay there forever. Nectophilia is the love of darkness or night, finding relaxation and comfort in the darkness. A study shows an average person has at least 3 dark secrets to which they'll never share with anyone. Humans are the only sentient that stalk, hunt, and fiercely attack their own species without the primary instinctual drive of procreation, social poisoning, survival, or food. If you want someone to get nervous, look at their forehead. A study suggests a guy is more likely to fall for you if you do something that scared him. Psychology says if you want to irritate someone, never give them yes or no answer. According to psychology, a number of people are living a toxic positivity life. Psychology says narcissist people and psychopaths are better at manipulating people online than in reality. Psychopaths have difficulty recognizing the facial expressions of fear.